In today's fast-paced world, digital payments have revolutionized the way we transact, offering convenience and security. But there's an innovation you should know about. Tap and Pay via Payzap app. Tap and Pay is a contactless payment method where you can simply tap your mobile phone or contactless chip card on a payment terminal to complete a transaction. Here's how to set up Tap and Pay on the Payzap app. Navigate to the Cards section at the bottom on the home screen. Select the card for which you want to enable the Tap and Pay feature. Tap on Enable Tap and Pay and click Proceed. Verify the process by entering the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Now that you know how to use Tap and Pay, enjoy the benefits of quick, convenient and secure payments.
One app for all payment choices.
Payzap by HDFC Bank. Pay your way.